everybody, welcome back to R2 Bricks. My name's Rosie.
And my name's Tim.
In this video we're going to be building
a Harry Potter set. Now, we don't usually buy the Harry Potter sets because Lego has got lots and lots in its collection. I like the Star Wars stuff and Rosie likes the Creator and
Lego City
bits. And unfortunately at this present time we can't collect everything, although we'd love to.
Yep.
But we saw this on the shelf.
This was on offer, wasn't it? They had a £1 off in Tesco's, I think, didn't it?
Possibly. Tesco's do deals every so often, so we might have picked it up because one, it probably looked good on the shelves with the rest of our stuff, and it was discounted somewhere along the line. I think
it was, yeah.
Yeah, we have got the Harry Potter. Now it's his owl. It's Hedwig. Is it Hedwig?
Hedwig, yeah.
Hedwig is owl. The set is 75979. Now it's not the big one, although one day maybe we might get that. But again, we'll see. But we're going to chuck this into a time lapse. We haven't done one of these builds for a long time on this channel, and have a look at it towards the end of the video. So sit back, enjoy a little bit of cheesy music and a speed build.
build of Hedwig. Both Tim and I really enjoyed building this. Some bits were a bit fiddly, especially the tail feathers. So I'll just show you. They're all different sizes, so it's quite fiddly trying to clip them on. Not a fan of Harry Potter. I have to admit I've never watched it. It just doesn't seem to interest me. But we saw Hedwig on the shelf and thought, wow, he's got some money off it. Let's take a look. Within the set, you get like an awesome little minifigure of Harry Potter and Hedwig, which is nice. He's got like a movable head on him, and if you twist the levers at the bottom, you can make it fly. How awesome is that? So guys, if you like the content we're bringing you, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Take care. See you soon.